Alright, as you can see, I'm out here at Bluff Creek Road in Bluff Creek, Alabama. As you can see, the crossing is malfunctioning. It's just close to that light because I really like that lens. But yeah, this cross is going off here. No sign of a train anywhere. But we got two gateless mass signals here. You can see this former NS line. First signal here, it's got an old Transport Products Corp base. I've already called this in, by the way. Here's the emergency information. See dot number 6, the current emergency information. I see this on the Columbus and Chattahoochee Railroad, the dot number 728416E. The lights on this signal are all safe tran 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights. Here's a view of the back of one of those. And the bell here is a WRRS mechanical bell. That, as you can see, is, I mean, it's operating, but it's dead. Don't know if the hammer's broke or if it's just not got enough power to it. But there's the front of the bell. Hammer might just be broke for all I know. And look over here real fast at the rear of the cross of the signal, showing those lights as they just flash. Over here's the relay case. Hear that old flasher relay clicking. I wonder if it just simply, I wonder if that case just simply got hot and caused a relay in there to close or something. But over here we got the other signal. So here's the other side of the crossing. As you can see, this one's also pretty much the same as the first. I like both lenses on this signal. And there's that lens, which seems to typically be more typically found on overheads on cantilevers, and then that one, which is always just a nice looking lens. But see, it's also a gateless mass signal. Got a CERMI base, older NS emergency information, current Genesee, Wyoming emergency information. And of course, the lights on this signal are all safe tran 12 by 24 inch incandescent lights. Just look up there, those lenses. And there's the logo on it. No bell on this signal, of course. But yeah, there's another look at those lights, by the way. But yeah, I've already, like I said, I already called this in. So someone should hopefully be coming out here to fix it and probably, I guess, replace that bell. So in fact, it ain't even ringing at all. It's just kind of squeaking. So yeah, just thought I'd show y'all this. This little malfunctioning crossing right here. And forget the street name all of a sudden, but it is hot today. Yeah, this malfunctioning crossing over here at Bluff Creek Road in Bluff Creek, Alabama. Over and out.